Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3. In this video I'll show you how to insert SIM or SD card. In the beginning, prepare SIM card tray opener. Remove the silicone case if you've got it on, and now let's open the SIM card tray. As you can see, this smartphone does not have SD card slot. In order to insert SIM card, place it like this with the cut corner here. Make sure that the chip is located outside. Then simply place the SIM card tray with the SIM card back. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.